After the launch of NCTC was put on hold due to protests by non-Congress ruled states, Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu and Orissa have now opposed the centre's proposed amendment to the RPF Act. J. Jayalalitha and Patnaik expressed their concern over the move in separate letters to the Prime Minister, alleging that the centre is trying to take away the power of the states.
First, it was the National Counter-Terrorism Centre. Now, it's the proposed amendment to the Railway Protection Force. Two issues that have united non-Congress chief ministers against the centre. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha has opposed the centre's move to give police powers to the Railway Protection Force. Jayalalitha says the move will undermine the federal structure under which policing is a state subject.
Taking the animosity between the state and the centre one step further, Jayalalitha has now shot off a letter to the Prime Minister disagreeing with the amendments to the RPF Act. Not only has she pointed out at what she thinks are the loopholes with the amendments, she has urged the Prime Minister not to go ahead with the amendments.
But it's not just Jayalalitha, even the Odisha Chief Minister is objecting to amending the RPF Act. Naveen Patnaik's letter to the Prime Minister says the states are not convinced by the Railway Ministry's justification for seeking changes in the RPF Act. Last week, Narendra Modi was the first Chief Minister to protest against the changes proposed in the RPF Act. That too on a day when Mamata was in Delhi to meet the Prime Minister.
RPF is not my
But the federalism debate once again seems to be reigniting and is turning into a glue that could bind the non-Congress chief ministers. Bureau Report, Times Now.